Hey, Mr. Puppers. Oh, yes, Mr. Puppers, he's excited. And Mrs. Backseat, you're excited too. What do you have? What's going on?
I have tandoori chicken bites.
What is it?
It is chicken bites that have a tandoori sauce, and yes, they are frozen. And I'm going to bake them for 22 minutes at 375. And I'm gonna have some basmati rice and some probably California medley or something.
Sounds good to me. Alright, look at that. We got some vegetables, we got some of our Johnny cakes, we got a hungry dog, we got a Mrs. Backseat, and then we have these little chicken thingies that we got, and of course, the basmati rice. Right?
Yes.
Right. Alright guys, plate it up, go watch something on TV. Alrighty y'all, it's time to watch a little bit of The Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt, one of my favorite programs, the newest one that I've started here on Netflix. There's dinner. There's Mrs. Backseat's dinner with the lime wedge. The doggy is coming right back around. He's excited. He wants a carrot. Wants a carrot. Couple of carrots. Oh yeah. Alright. Hello.
Hi.
We'll see everybody in a little while. Maybe. Oh dear. It's a little pettingill in the nightingale. The pettingill and the nightingale.
Hi, I'm having a come apart.
A good old fashioned come apart, eh?
Right at the seat. And I wiped tears away and more come. Sad.
Deep breath. That's a good old-fashioned belly laugh.
Yes, much needed.
Let's go put away the dinner.
Okay.
Well, guys, it's a box. You know what happens when boxes arrive? We have to unbox whatever is inside. So, that is exactly what we are going to be doing today. Let's take a look. See what's in this lovely box that we got from the Amazon.com. There we go. It is, of course, a box within a box. Okay, hold on. Okay, so the box within a box is a Nyapo Shiatsu 3D rotating massager with head for neck and shoulder. It says the same thing on the top. Okay, with heat. With heat! So let's open it on up, see what we got. See what we have inside. Pretty plain Jane boxing so far. Didn't expect anything more. Alright, so we have a car power accessory, a wall power accessory, and a something. Carrying sleeve, maybe? Not real sure. And then we have the device itself. What else is in here? Got a 20% off something. Okay. User's manual. Alright. Now let's see what's in the thing itself. What do we have in here? Alright, so these fold out like such. And then this area right here plugs into the power source. Let me flip it around. And here are your massaging roller thingies. What I liked about it was it had little places that you could put your arms in, like that. So it's got wires running all the way through. Let's plug it in and see what it does. That sounds like a good idea. Oh, Mrs. Backseat is taking the new massage thing for a ride. I gave it a short test run, but she hadn't moved. I gave it to her and she hadn't moved. Is there anything that you would like to say to the people?
Huh?
That about sums that up. But there's some food over there. You guys are always interested in what we're eating. There's some taco leftover stuff, some Coke with lime, and we're not gonna eat this thing down here, but he sure is fun to play with, and I guess that's a good neck massager. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm pretty sure that we're gonna keep this. Pretty sure we're gonna keep this. You can actually walk it down your back a little bit too. Walk it down your back a little bit and get right where it needs to be. Ooh. Yes. Walk it down a little bit more. Let me get the lower back. Let's scoot it all the way down. Oh, let's scoot it all the way down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That'll work. That'll work. We're gonna keep this. Oh yeah, at the end of the day, I like this thing. You can just turn it on, and the little things spin right there. And they heat up. And then you can also change the directions if you want to. Turn the heat on and off if you want to. Change the speeds. Dog's going crazy in the background. That's okay. And it just plugs into the wall. You know? This, I can get behind this. It is a Naipo 3D rotating Shiatsu neck massager. Link in the description below if you want to pick one up. It's delivery day here at Backseat Gorilla Productions. We got in our stickers. So I'm excited. These are going right back up on the eBay store. Probably, maybe, I don't know. Try to find some other marketplaces to sell on, but definitely going up on the eBay store. That's right. So be sure and look out for those coming real soon. So, Mrs. Backseat, is it time for a spot of tea?
It's time for a spot of tea.
Alrighty. You're welcome. And of course, Deadpool, you know we couldn't leave you out, buddy. So, I'm gonna drink this tea. Especially for you, Mr. Deadpool. Anybody want to play a game of spot the odd man out on the thumbnails? Is it the bacon? If you hadn't seen that video, go look for it. Probably on Backseat's channel.